Right now, I might not live. I saw the most dangerous. Whoa! Oh, it's near. The kitten. The kitten. Please. If anyone sees this video, please tell them I need grape jelly. Catnip. Running.